Rules for divisibility of a number by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is both divisible by both 2 and 3. We can actually ignore this both from here. Okay, there are two boths which are here. So let's say you are given any number, and this could be 136. Okay, or let's say this is 636, or it is 1842, and another number can be 1933. Now, in order to find out whether this number is divisible by 6, we need to find out whether this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 6. Now, according to the rule, the number is divisible by 6, which is this, if it is divisible both by 2 and 3. So if you look at 136, is this number divisible by 2? What was the rule for the divisibility by 2? The rule was if the units digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Right? In this case, the units digit is divisible by 2 because it is 6. So we put a tick mark here. The rule for divisibility by 3 was that the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. If I take the sum of digits for this number, what do I get? I get 1 plus 3 plus 6. Okay, which is what? Which is equal to 10. Right? So 1 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 10. But 10, when divided by 3, is it divisible by 3? The answer is no. And for this to be divisible by 6, it has to be divisible both by 2 and 3. In this case, it's not divisible by 3. Hence, we say that 136 is not divisible by 6. And I can show you this as well. 136 divided by 6. 2 times gives you 12. 13 minus 12 gives you 1. 6. 2 times gives you 12. 16 minus 12 gives you 4. Now this remainder of 4 cannot be divided by 6. Hence 136 is not divisible by 6. Again, let's see the next number. So 636, what is at the units place? 6, which is there. So we can say this number is divisible by 2 because the units place contains 6. Is it divisible by 3? In order to ensure that this is divisible by 3, the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 6 plus 3 plus 6 gives you how much? 6 plus 3, 9 plus 6 gives you 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Yes, because 15 when divided by 3 gives us 5. So we put a tick here. When there is a tick in both these places, it means it's divisible both by 2 and 3, and hence it is divisible by 6. We can try this as well. 6 times 1, 6, 0, 3. 3 is not there, so we put another 0, 6. 6 gives you 36. The remainder is 0. Hence, 636 is divisible by 6. But instead of doing this long method, we just found out by the simple rule. How about 1842? Let's quickly do this, and 1933, I'll leave it to you. Let's do 1933. In 1933, the units place contains 3, but 3 is not one of the digits which, if it is there in the units place, is divisible by 2. Hence, it is not divisible by 2. If it is not divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 6, even though it might be divisible by 3. I'm not sure whether this is divisible by 3. Let's see. 1 plus 9 gives you 10, plus 3 gives you 13, plus 3 gives you 16. 16 when divided by 3? No. Hence, in both the cases, it is negative. So it is not divisible by 6. 1842. Okay, I'll leave this to you, but the answer is what? The answer is yes. It is divisible by 6. Okay, try to find out the reasons at your end as to why it is divisible by 6. What I can show you is 1842 divided by 6 is equal to 307. Hence, this answer is correct that it is divisible by 3. But try to see the reasons at your end as to why is this divisible by 2 and 3.